Basketball, you betcha I'm back. It's the Daily Trainer, and I'm excited that we are going to be at 20K subs. Woo! That is a milestone, and couldn't have done it without you, the viewer, continuously looking at our daily training and our stories to give you more information that you need, guaranteed to succeed on the basketball court in every way for the game that you love to play every day. So let's get right to it. I'll tell you what, over and over again, I can't stress enough, we've got to learn how to make layups. My goodness, how many layups have you seen missed this season? I'm sure you've missed quite a few layups yourself. So we're going straight to the layup series right off the bat. No warm up, no nothing. Let's get right to it. So right hand layup, jump stop, inside hand, reverse inside, reverse outside. You're going to do that 5 times because you need to learn how to make a layup. You're going to elevate on each one and you're going to finish. You're not going to roll it. You're not going to jelly. You're not going to flip it up from the side. You are going to attack the basket hard. You're going to jump stop strong, or you're going to elevate strong towards the rim. You're not going to fly out. You're going to give yourself the opportunity to get the rebound in case you miss. And if you do miss, I want you to jump up and get the rebound and put it back in. Okay, we're going to do a drill right after that that basically resembles of what I'm talking about. All right, when we are doing these layups, you want to go strong. You want to grab it with 2 hands, and then you want to elevate with the 2 hands, and then you want to release with 1 hand. Okay, that is going to make sure and ensure that you are making a strong layup. All right, all these details matter. Make sure you do them on both sides. Remember, you're doing them 5 times each. Okay, there's nobody on you, so please make the layup. Next drill, you're doing a rebounding drill. Rebounding is so important because when you don't get the ball, how are you going to touch it? The only way you're going to touch it is if you rebound the basketball. A lot of people don't want to rebound. So guess what? You can. So why not work at it? Okay. We're working our 1-hand tips. We're working 2-hand tips. Okay. And we are making sure we are laying this basketball up. All right. We're throwing it off for 4 or 5 times, 10 even if you want to. And then we're laying it up 5 times each after, okay? Now, the biggest thing here is we got to keep working our jump. We got to keep elevating, and we got to finish in the air sometimes. And then sometimes we have to land under control, and we have to grab that ball strong and be strong going back up, okay? You're going to go on both sides. Again, we're going to finish 5 times, all right? Now, speaking of finishing, okay, we're going to go back to laying it up again. Okay, you're going to do U layups. So now you're going to lay it up. You're going to go block to block. Then you're going to go hash mark to hash mark, hash mark to hash mark. You get to the free throw line. You're going to go elbow to elbow. And you're just going to keep doing it. Okay, and this is more of a condition-based drill, which will get you in shape and get you finishing quick and working on a little bit of footwork. Then you're going to roll that basketball out. You're going to work your rip throughs, and you're going to finish 5 times. Okay, you got your inside pivot, you got your front pivot, and you're going to do that on both sides, and we're going to do that 5 times each. Then you're going to go to 5-spot layup. Oh, yeah, that is right. We are getting after it, okay? Like, man, somebody made you mad, Daily Trainer. You right. The world made me mad because nobody's making layups, but everybody got highlights. Show me the highlights if you're missing. That's what the highlights I want to see. How can we get better and how can we fix it? Okay, so from 5 spots, this is how you fix it. You drive the baseline, you finish with your right on every spot. Right hand on the baseline, right hand on the wing, right hand from the top, right hand from the wing, and right hand on the other baseline. You go back to that same baseline, everything is left. Left hand, boom, left hand wing, left hand top, left hand wing, left hand on the baseline. So that's how we are going to do that. Once you have done that, then we are going to look into then shooting the basketball, right? Near the basket. Yes, you thought we were going to shoot jump shots. No, we're going to shoot floaters. Okay, so you're not always going to be able to get right under the basket and score it. So now we got to shoot floaters, and that is what we're going to do. We're going to attack the basket, and we are going to be under control. We're going to use the glass, and then we're not going to use the glass, and then we're going to go right hand, right side. We're going to go right hand middle, and we're going to go right hand on the left side. If you're left-handed, we'll do left hand on the left side, left hand in the middle, and then left hand on the right side. We've got to get it. We've got to figure it out. And we got to make 3 shots in each spot. Oh, yeah. Go ahead and get a water break. Back at it again, basketball. You put the water bottle down and let's get right to it, okay? What we're going to do is we're going to dribble full court. Oh, yeah, we're dribbling full court and we're making a layup. The layups don't stop, baby. Full court at full speed. Right hand, go finish, okay? We got 5 of them. Then left hand, go finish. We got 5 of them. Then we're going to take it to the wing. And then we're going to come from the wing. We got our crossover and we got our finish and our layup. We got our through the legs cross and then we're going to finish and we're going to layup and we got behind the back. You're going to do that 5 times each on both sides, okay? Sometimes when you go into the basket during these 30 finishes, you are going to jump stop, okay? The jump stop will show control. The jump stop will also throw the timing of the defender off and you can throw a hitch in it and get the defender to jump and you can get the foul, okay? So all these different things will help you succeed in laying the basketball up. Remember, layups are important. Moves, not so important. Keeping the game simple is important. Making the game complicated is not, okay? So please do not do that, okay? Get good at the basics, okay? We got 20,000 subs following us, and I want you to hear me when I say if you are good at the basics, you got a chance to play. Okay, and that's all you're trying to do is you're trying to play the game that you love so much. Okay, now we haven't even talked about defense, but we definitely are today because that's what's going to get you on the floor to play. All right, so first drill we're coming from the baseline. We're going hash mark to the baseline, hash mark again to the baseline, hash mark again to the baseline, turn and sprint. Okay, that is what we are doing. Okay, we're doing that 3 times. You're going to look one way. Then after the 3 times, you're going to turn the other way. Okay, we're working both hips. We're working that reaction time. We're working that deceleration, acceleration. It's laterally, though. Okay, laterally. Then I want you to sprint forward, and I want you to do the same thing with the hash marks and back pedal. Okay, so we're going to do that 3 times. First, you're going to plant with that right leg and back pedal. Then you're going to plant with that left leg and back pedal. So we're doing that 3 times each with each leg, right? Then the next thing you're going to do is key to key slots, okay? You're just getting after it. You're going to go 30 seconds strong, 3 times each. We're trying to get 24. You're going to be exhausted. You're going to be standing up. Your quads are going to hurt. Your back's going to get tight. But guess what? You're always ready to play defense. Your hands are going to be wide, ready to go, and they're going to be active. And that's what we want, basketball U. We want you to be active on defense and just active on the floor, all right? Then the last drill that we're going to do is we're going to put our 2-cone drill together. Love this drill. Remember, you're going to go under, over, under the cones. Let's repeat it again. Under, over, under. Sliding to the next group of cones. Under those, over those, back under, going to the next set, and then under and over and finishing strong out that way, and then coming back the same way, under, over, again, under, over, under, over. Okay, we got that 3 times each as well. Basketball U, are you tired yet? No, exactly. So now we got 17 countdown. And that's going to end your workout, and that's going to be the conditioning. What's a 17 countdown? You got 17 on the sideline. You got 15 after a rest on the sideline. 13 on 11, 9, 7, 5, 3, and 1. Okay, we're going to do all of those. You're going to take about a 25-second to 30-second break in between each of them. The breathing should help you recover a little bit quicker, but also the time limit is going to seem a lot faster, but your running is a lot shorter, so your recovery time should be a little bit quicker. Basketball U, I thank you. Make sure you shoot 10 free throws at the end of your workout, and go ahead and sip that water, and congratulate yourself that you got through another workout. Hey, basketball U, I don't know what else to tell you to do, but just know this. Remember, someone's always working. Are you?